PLTR is bouncing inside this triangle. Can we buy right now? It is right on the support right now. Can we buy right now? This is something I want to share with you with the insight from the chart. Maybe they have a hidden message from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. Now we look at PLTR weekly chart. So you can still draw this traditional line support resistance. So you can find we are kind of on the support here. But do we have buy point here? So today I'm going to give you the insights from the chart. Take like right now. So right now I'm going to show you first thing, I show you the daily chart first. Because if you want to buy recently, look at this. Do we have any opportunity? Something interesting is the volume is going up, right? If you check the volume here, you see we have a higher volume recently. And every time they go low point, we have high volume. Why? Because institution coming in here. So you can see from the YM chip entry, when they have the green candle, it means institution coming in. But does it mean we need to get in as well? Does it mean we need to buy right now? Something, do we have a buy signal right now? Look at this stock. First thing, look at the money. We are under zero. We are under this line. So there's no buy point because money is not yet strong. Institution, they buy because they buy over a long period. I don't care. I buy before the race. I'm not buying to be the support. No. But institution is different. They are the main force to change the trend. So they buying every time when they are at the relative low point, such as here, such as here and right now. But it doesn't mean we need to follow because we are different from the institution. Institution have unlimited money. Okay, so this is the main question. Can we buy right now? We are on the support right now, on even on weekly, on daily. So right now here, the answer is with my indicator. The answer is no. Okay, it's not safe one to buy because the money is not strong and the stock is not yet going above the red line and free line they're going downward. It means this stock is possible. They push down more. Okay, it's possible. Okay, so let's see how it goes. We are not crystal ball. So today, there's no buy point. Okay, and where is the sell point? If you look at this daily chart, it's very clear. Okay, it's very clear when the purple is the whole market cycle trend, purple and the blue. When the blue is too fluctuate, you look at the purple. The word here, they change the trend to downward trend. So it's very clear we are still inside this downward trend. So it's not safe for you to buy. It's not safe for you to buy. You can catch a rebound here, catch here, and I told you here. And once they go above, you see, they even go above the purple, which is fine, but the purple still go downward. So you need to use red line or blue line to be your stop gain. You buy here and you use red line, which is here, to stop gain because they change the direction here to downward. And then you use the blue line to stop gain also to sell everything. Okay, so this is quite easy. This is daily chart. Now we look back to the weekly chart to see what is going on with this PLTR. Okay, you can see this blue line is going downward. It means the whole market cycle from upward trend now is downward trend. But this is not too bad. Why? Because when they go down, the opportunity will come up. Because the bottom always happen when we are under the blue and under the purple. Why? Because you see institution come in. You don't need to think too much. Just look at this YM chip entry. We have green candle here. It means institution come in. But do we have any buy point here? Look at this again. This green, we are still under the red, and the red still go downward. So we have nothing to do. We don't touch. We don't touch. I don't have this stock. I don't touch. Why you touch? I don't want to be the support. Okay? So, see? This is weekly chart. Now we go to monthly chart to see the bigger market cycle. To tell you how to sell for the big cycle. In case we have some big investor here, look at monthly chart. How to buy? You buy here. When the red changes direction and the money come in here. You see, money is going upward. Basically, this is the buy bond here, and then they go all the way upward. If you use monthly chart to buy, you can use monthly chart to sell. How to sell? Not the yellow candle, but when the yellow candle disappear, they drop below the last yellow, or when the yellow candle drop below the red, this is the point to get out, to cash out your own calls. Okay, but you still have profit, right? You still have, so for example, you are buying here, which is, let's say you buy at the highest price, $15. Okay, let's say you put $15 up inside, they go up, go up, go up. On this candle, they drop below. It's minus 15. Okay, let's say we trade on the lowest price, which is 147. So you withdraw the $15, which is your capital, out. You let the capital run. And when they change the direction, you sell everything. That's it. That's it. And suppose you shouldn't have anything. This is for long investor strategy. And you see, after that, we are still under that. The red is still going downward here. Is it possible they create a bottom here and then they go up again? It's possible, but we are not crystal ball. We trade with the signal. And the signal, the monthly chart to see very big cycle. So if you are a long-term investor, use monthly chart. If you are swing trader, if you want to do a wave, use weekly chart and daily chart. Okay, this channel, personally, I don't recommend day trader because it's not, for my opinion, I want my time freedom. That's why I don't do daily chart trade. But daily chart is a very good for the wave chain, for the wave trade. Okay. So basically you can see here, they they don't have any buy signal today. Okay. Maybe today up 10%, I don't know. But tomorrow is tomorrow. I don't know. I trade with signal. When today no signal, I don't trade. I don't really bother what's going on tomorrow. Okay, so you trade with the trend. This is the update for PLTR. And if you like this channel, click like, subscribe, share with a friend. This channel is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. By the way, we go back to the weekly chart. You see this happening here, this happening here. It means relative low. So we are waiting for the opportunity to buy. Okay, we are not shorting, but we're waiting. You don't need to short everything. Okay, so it's waiting the opportunity to buy. Okay, so if you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Bye.